Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel at DK Jobless. We have three different hirings for different tools like TGH Software Solutions, Pragma H Inc and another one. So these companies are looking to hire for both the freshers and experienced. They mentioned it is a walk-in drive on 25th and 26th July, and they are hiring for integration developer and .NET developer guys. If you are interested in these roles, any one of these roles, let us get into the video for more details. So guys, here you can see we have a great update from TCS Software Solutions Private Limited. Just 1 hour ago they have updated officially on LinkedIn. They mentioned that it is a freshers hiring, like whoever graduating in the year of 2025. They are hiring for 2 locations, Hyderabad and Noida, and locations and walk-in date is 26th July 2025. That is on Saturday guys. Eligibility 0 to 3 months experience people can walk in. Qualification BTech or BE, MTech, MCA. Badges they mentioned 2021 to 2024. Skills required: strong programming fundamentals, Java, Python, etc. And main note: only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the next steps. Like if you need to fill this form, they have provided application link here. So if you click on this link, then it will be navigated to the form. Here you have to provide your name, phone number, email ID, highest qualification, graduation passed out here, technical expertise and work experience if you have any, and preferred location for walk-in Hyderabad or Noida that you have to mention here. If you are available for a walk-in time on 26th July, you have to mention here that is yes or no and submit the application guys. So this is a great update from this company. They are hiring for integration developers. It is a freshers hiring. If you met the eligibility, don't miss this opportunity. Apply for this opportunity guys, don't miss it. Another great hiring update from Pragma H Inc. This is also official hiring update. So they mentioned that they are currently walking live on July 24th and 25th. If you missed it today, you can walk in tomorrow at a Hyderabad location. Open roles, they mentioned business development executive, MBA marketing, and another one selling integrated developer training. And eligibility BTech, CSC or IT or EC branches. And timing for walk-in 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. For any queries, you can contact this mail recruitment@pragmaedge.com guys. So come dressed in a formal 70% plus academic track record required, only 2025 graduates eligible. These are the main requirements they mentioned here. Every detailed information they have provided here guys. If you are interested, don't miss this opportunity. Shift timings and everything they mentioned here, don't miss it. So we have another great hiring update from MWebWare. This company have updated on Naukri. They are conducting direct walk-in drives. Like qualification they mentioned BTech, CSC, male candidates with a training in .NET technologies and hands-on experience in C#. So 0 to 1 year experience people can walk in directly. Hyderabad this location. You must have key skills .NET Core, C# and SP.NET SQL. So dates of walk-in, like they are currently walk-in drives from 22nd July to 25th July. But I noticed today, sorry for that. And 11:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. is a walk-in time. And venue also they mention here guys. Key responsibilities and the required skills and eligibility criteria, everything they mention here. Year of graduation 2022 to 2024 or eligible. So preferred qualification internship or a minor project experience in a .NET, certification in .NET or a C# or .NET Core from a recognized training institute. These are the main requirements they mentioned here. They also provided selection process here. So if you are interested, don't miss it guys. Same company, but Pragma H Inc is hiring for another role, that is a programmer analyst. Walk-in dates, timing for walk-in and location, everything same. But roles they mentioned programmer analyst and required skills like if you have knowledge in Linux, Unix, cloud, Docker or containers, strong coding and scripting skills. And if you met the eligibility like a qualification they mentioned BTech, CSC or IT or ACA branches with a 70% plus and 2025 passed out or eligible guys. Rotational shifts 20 plus openings they mentioned here. If you are interested and if you have required qualifications and skills, you can walk in directly on 25th July, that is tomorrow. Don't miss it.